IT operations teams navigating rapid change have one clear choice: adapt quickly or become obsolete. But IT's effectiveness is often impeded by a mix of incompatible tools for each environment. It's like trying to design a better airplane. Fragmented automation and a lack of intelligence will drastically reduce IT's agility. For example, as the largest hub in the world, serving 200 million passengers a year, the Istanbul airport needed to build out their new IT services, so they called microfocus. Like your environment, the Istanbul airport's IT landscape is a complex mix of cloud-based and on-premises services. Microfocus IT operations management solutions help them deliver, simplifying their IT transformation, and we can help you too. Microfocus provides your IT organization the agility to deliver engaging digital services faster, more securely, and with great performance. You'll effectively manage across clouds and data centers using our built-in intelligence, speeding repairs, and reducing the burden on staff. As you upgrade your IT services, everyone wins. The business moves faster, and you operate with higher efficiency, satisfying customers and users in record time. Microfocus provides the digital factory that can accelerate your organization to outpace the competition. Click here to see how Microfocus IT operation solutions can help you cut complexity, build agility, grow value.